Hi, I want to give you a quick demo of the finished system. It consists of the Nano 2 gigabyte here, which just gets very hot, by the way. And the 4 gigabyte one, I had to put a fan on it. There's fan mounts here, might not be a bad idea. The power supply, the camera, and a Wi-Fi dongle are plugged into it. And then this camera is just an old webcam. Then we've got the KASA smart plugs here that are controlled over the internet by a little web server, also running on the Jetson, so everything's contained here. And then the 3 traffic lights, courtesy of retired Arizona highway system. So you can see the lights already going on and off as it detects things. It starts in yellow when it's not sure. When it detects an unmasked face, it goes to red. And you can see it doesn't always pick up every frame. So I have it set, it's doing about 12 frames a second. And anytime it changes state, it changes the lights. So it'll show yellow when it's not sure. It'll go to red if it thinks I'm maskless. Oh, and now it thinks I have a mask. So obviously it's not great. So hopefully if I do put the mask on, it should go to green and not red. We'll see once I get my hands out of the way. Well, okay, well, it went to green, which is good. But it doesn't always, every frame doesn't detect it. So probably some smoothing of the signal would be a good thing if you were going to do more with this. And if I take my mask off, it should go to red, so it kind of does. So it's not very much code. Getting the data ready was probably the hardest part, and nothing was very expensive. The traffic lights were $5 a piece. The plugs I already had, and the Jetson 60 bucks. So you can kind of put something together fairly inexpensively if you have an old webcam laying around. So that's all there is for now, until I play with it some more.